Really don't want to.
Sam, I have to say, you're not making a fuss. I promise you that. But I am due to see Bob later on this morning.
Got your message? What's the panic? Oh, sorry, working lunch, is it, sweetheart? I can
No, no,
upload later.
Bob, it's fine. Don't worry about that.
Go on.
Yeah, Bob, I just need you to listen.
You're right, Susie, you look a bit stressed.
It's been a really difficult morning, actually.
Well, there's a reason why I didn't go in for all this interim malarkey. It's more trouble than what it's worth.
Hmm.
You know, mate, soft touch. Anything I can do?
Yes, there is actually. Listen, I had Sam's annual review this morning.
Sam?
Yes, Sam, the new girl. She says she sits opposite Terry on her days in the office.
Oh, Sam, yeah. Sorry, yeah, she's lovely. Yeah, no, she's really lovely. God,
Yeah.
I was 20 years younger.
Actually, that leads me to exactly what I want to talk to you about.
Oh, really? Oh, no, she's
Yeah.
really good. She's a really good hire. Well done.
Yeah, no, she is, and we don't want to lose her, okay?
Something's wrong, isn't it? What's in the sandwich? Come on.
Inappropriate jokes in the office or on Teams. We have spoken about this before, Bob.
Look, I know, but it's just a bit of banter. It's just a bit of fun. I mean, it makes people smile. Goodness knows we all need cheering up sometimes.